Hey everybody, welcome back to game time. We're getting fancy schmancy today again. We did National Treasures the other day and now we're doing Immaculate. What's happening? I'll tell you exactly what's happening. Blowout Cards is doing their big sale, their big spring sale, and they have put a couple of these higher tier boxes on pretty good at a pretty good discount. Granted, the one the other day was 2016 and this is too, which is obviously not the most desirable of the rookie classes, but just like I was hoping with the Spectra and the National Treasures, I'm again hoping for like a really good vet hit. If I could get like some kind of Stephon Marbury. Am I even saying that? Oh my god, what the heck is wrong with me? If I could get a good vet hit, it'll make it worthwhile. So, because I'm not paying like crazy prices for these boxes like they would have been when they first came out. I went ahead and removed the outside wrapper because under these lights it was like just a crazy reflection on like my big fat hands and arms. So I went ahead and took that off, but I haven't opened the box yet, which I prefer the National Treasures wood box to this tin, but this tin's pretty cool too. I held on to that box, of course, and I'll probably keep this tin. Lord knows I got enough stuff I could put in here. Alright, let's get in here. How many cards are in this? I don't even know, because I've never opened such a fancy box. Does it say anywhere? It's gotta say somewhere. Hang on. Oh yeah, there's the odds. 108 card set. That's a weird number. 50 rookie BK autographs, 40 base BK, and 18 autographs. I'm still not seeing how many cards are in here. Well, dookie. Alright. I guess we'll find out in a second, won't we? Nice and heavy. But, you know, I've watched breaks, and usually if you got something crazy, this box is like bulging out. It doesn't seem to be doing that. Let's see how we want to do this. I'll just set them over here to the side and pull them one at a time. There we go. Alright, we're starting off with Harrison Barnes. Oops, I guess you want to actually see the card, don't you? It's numbered out of 99. So this is the base card, thick stock, North Carolina. I guess it's a base card. I assume that even the base set is numbered here. Alright, that's one. Jake Lehman out of 25. It's a huge patch of material, very silky material, but it's just plain black, and it's kind of miscut right here. I don't know if you can see. It's kind of jagged, kind of janky. Anyways, it is super short print. I don't really know Jake Lehman from John Doe really, but that's what it is. Alright, next up we have a quad. This looks, I can't hardly read the names. I know that's Buddy Hield. Let's see if I can read it on the back. It's numbered out of 99. Oh, there it is. Whew. Buddy Hield, Denzel Valentine, Malcolm Brogdon, and Bryce Johnson. That's not a bad quad. And all, as you can see, all the jersey colors are different, so that's pretty nice. Okay, that's not a bad card. Alright. Next up, we have another dual jersey, Okafor and Brandon Ingram. That's not bad either, and it's numbered 1 out of 25. Some ink on this would have been nice, but there's some pretty good little swatches in there, and super short print. Yeah, Ingram and Okafor, that's not too bad. A little Duke action. We're gonna get any autographs in here? Oh, here comes one. It is Gary Payton, the second rookie, and it's got a little bit of a flake there on the foil, so that's Stinksville. Good job, Panini. Can always trust you to give me some crap. Thank you. May I have another, sir? That's what I feel like sometimes. Ugh. Alright, out of 99, rookie. It is on card, and it is a nice little 2-color jersey, but as you can see, it's beat up. So, Jameel Warney, out of 99. This is like an acetate cover glued on there. You can see it at the top level. It's the class of the conference. Warney won American East Conference Player of the Year in 3 straight seasons. He was his best in the 15-16 season, where he had a career high in points and blocks, and his win over Princeton. Okay, Jameel Warney. Looks like we have 2 more cards left, and we have 9. This looks to be a gold parallel. Again, the top corner is a little janky. Look at that. Damn you, Panini, really? I mean, this is immaculate. This is like supposed to be immaculate condition too. It's numbered out of 25, and it's a really good looking little piece of jersey, and on card and short print. But I mean, really? You can't do any better with quality control in a box that probably hit the market at possibly as high as $500 maybe. I mean, that's crazy. If anybody knows what this hit the market at, please comment below and let me know, so I know just how mad I should be. Alright, last card is DeAndre Bembry. Again, a really nice little jersey piece in there. Again, numbered out of 25. Again, on card autograph. Not bad. This one looks to be in okay condition, thankfully. He just signed his initials and not full name, but whatever. This is not too bad. So I'll quit my griping and complaining, I guess. Although still, you could say that that corner is just a little bit like peeled slightly. I don't know. I'm definitely not a card grader, but I guess I should have done my homework. I knew that National Treasures, even though it was the collegiate edition, that there was a chance to get vets. I don't know 100% that there was with this. I assume there was, and maybe, you know, what do they say about assuming? You make an ass out of you, an ass out of me, something like that. So I don't know, but yeah, this wasn't the best box. Thank God I did not pay anywhere near full price for it. Couple of decent cards in there. More jersey cards than I would have thought. I thought probably would have got one more autograph maybe, but I don't know. It was still fun to open, so I'm going to quit my yin yang and say, I mean, if you never open Immaculate and you get to, that's still a fun experience. So I'm going to leave it like that on a high note. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you more than you know. Please subscribe if you haven't already. That's it. I'll be back with some more cards for you guys soon.